Excuse me, may I have your attention, please?
Yeah.
Well, this is Ankita Yadav from Speak Well. With your kind permission, may I initiate the GD?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for allowing me to initiate the GD. You know that the topic which has been given us for discussion in this GD, this is on which basis reservation should be given, on caste base or economic base. I think it is a very controversial and knowledge enhancing topic. As far as I am concerned with this, then I think reservation should be given on the basis of caste. Why I am saying like that? Because there are several reasons behind it. Because having independence India, the peoples of lower caste, they are brutally exploited by the upper caste peoples, and their rights have just taken away from them. And to remove this type of discriminations, the father of constitutions, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, just bring the reservations, and the lower caste of peoples can be developed. So keeping all these points into my account, I must believe that reservation should be given on the basis of caste. Well, I invite you all to participate in this GD and make this GD more and more successful.
I mean to say that reservation should be given on the basis of caste. You see that, and I will totally disagree with you that point of my point of view, that I think that a reservation should be given on the basis of economics. Why am I saying that? There are tons of women. Ma'am, if I talk about you say that reservation should be given on the basis of caste. I think that reservation should be given on the basis of economics. Ma'am, if I talk about I mean say that lots of people in this time and students just do suicide, and lots of things that people do suicide just because of economic. And ma'am, if I talk about, there are two students who has passed in the exam, say that lower percentage, and who has passed in the exam say that high percentage, just because he had difference between knowledge. But if I talk about there are two students, and he haven't there is a lots of difference between their students. And ma'am, when he goes any type of any admission, then he have to need to reservation. And you also know that, ma'am, the student who had passed in your exam so that lower percentage, then he take the admission of any college, any university, just because of reservation. Why it is so? Because of reservation. If the reservation given the base of economic base, then it is so positive way. If I talk about lots of things and lots of people, everybody think like that. The poor, the people who belongs to very poor family, he is so face the critical situation, and it's not like it's very tough situation, that person. And the person who has think that the poor people always depend on to say that reservation, then that is wrong. Why? Because he also know that where is come money, and where is how many times is spent in your life. And there is no any type of say that government see how he struggle in their life, and where his children study in their class. And it's not matter how many he spend there any type of say that any type of critical situation, lots of things. Then why any government don't see their say that struggle? And he always fights the say that one type of situation they have no any kind of government given by any type of poor family.
But ma'am, I'll totally disagree with you, because there are many peoples in caste, SC caste and SC, who have no house to live and no food to eat, and even they have no such of money they can survive our life and get education to their children's a better education, I mean to say that. And the candidates of SC are belongs to a poor family, and due to this condition they do not just get education, the good college, good university, and this is the reason they cannot clear any competitive exams. And ma'am, you give me an example. I'll give you example. There are suppose that in a family there are two children. One is 7 years old and second is a 3rd year old, so who cannot walk on his feet, and who had 7 years old, he easily can walk on his feet. In the same way, what will the father do if they have go outsides beside the house? The father do who can easily walk, he say you easily walk, then you go, and who cannot easily walk, he hold in his arm and put on the soldiers. These types of discrimination do in house just because bring equality in house. In the same way, our constitution say that whole over the country is like our family.
Well, ma'am, may I attempt here?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you to allow me to say something. Just in your argument, you said that there are many person who belongs to SC and ST caste, and they have no much money to survive their life. But if you ask me, then I would say that it's not like that. From my perspective, reservations should given on the basis of caste, on the basis of economics. As you already know that, suppose that there are two students. One belongs to other backward caste, and one belongs to that family who have a financial problem, like he don't have money to survive their life. Then if you give to other backward caste reservation, if you give the discount of that things in order to get anything, then suppose it's not like that every SC ST caste is poor. It's not like that. If you go in any state, then you will find out many SC ST caste have much money to survive their life, and they can do anything. And if instead of that, if they will get the reservation, then they are going to misuse that all. They are going to misuse that all. And even after that, if you give them to economic person, then they will use in a right way. They will study, or they will buy some things to eat food, and they can survive their life. Then through this point, I can say that the reservation should given on the basis of economics.
But
Excuse me, Mr. Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
As you know that our Indian culture have many most people who belong from the lower caste.
Yeah.
That ST, SC.
Yes.
But you know that our Indian government get the money in the basis of the caste. But that person who is the belong from the lower caste, he become to be the good person. As you know that our India, one of the women, she belong from the lower caste. That name is Tina Dhabi. She
Yes,
secured the AIR1 in the first attempt in the UPSC.
Yes, yes.
But just because of caste, she become the an IS officer. But that of the another side, the person who belong from the general and OBC,
Yeah.
who secured the AIR1, who is the already neglected through the by
Yeah.
society. But nobody caring. So that she have a capability to clear the AIR. It doesn't matter whether you have a reservation or not.
But
But
do you know? Listen. Do you know the reason of that? How she could select in that exam? She got the reservation. She didn't work hard. Only she got the reservation and she selected anywhere. If I talk about the against person of her, then he worked hard, but he don't get the reservation, and he just didn't get success. This is the badness of a reservation on the basis of caste. But instead of that, you suppose that there are any children who belongs to economics, who don't have much money. As you know that in this time in your village, the economic system is too bad. If you go and watch out the economic system of the family, then you will find out they have no much money to survive their life. And if they have no much money, then their children also want to study, and their life will be just go in fall in their parents. So I can say that reservation should given on the basis of economics. But if you, in that time, if you give this after watching the caste, then here would be many discrimination as well. And this is also a point of that I can say that the reservation should given on the basis of economics.
I totally partially agree with you, Mr. As you know that the reservation should be given on the basis of the economies.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
why only OBC and general castes should be selected in the Ayodhya temple? Just because they belong
I know
from
that
the,
you are talking. Yes,
a
yes.
general family.
Yeah, you
Just
are-
because where is the STSC? Where?
Yeah, you are
Why
listen.
government only
You
selected
are
that
talking
of-
about the caste. Yes. Then in the caste there are many castes, SC, ST, and other backward caste, and general as well. Then you said the reservation should provide to caste after seeing the caste. But from my perspective, it should be provide after watching the economic system of the family. And in that time, if I'm going to, if I talk about suppose there is a student, there is a father, there is a person who belongs to who have financially problem and he don't have much money, then due to as you know that many times his crops many times farmer crops get ruined, and it is not good for them. Then in that time they need money, and if the government provide the money, then their life will secure, and it is so good for that farming person. So I can say that it should be provided on the basis of economics.
But Mr. You know that in India the every high posts are just grabbed by the upper class peoples. You know you can see the list of judges. There is no any backward caste of peoples. They are only grabbed by the just upper caste of peoples. If the reservation is removed from there, who select
do you know the reason of it? Why everyone why every SC and ST caste pressurized by the general caste? This is the discrimination which you get in the caste, but there is nothing like this in the economics. If
but Mr. You know
if your economic system is not good, then you should take the knowledge about the government reservation, and the government will provide the money for you. Government will provide many useful things which you need. So this is the point.
So where the government provide the STSs, the monies, the only thing the admissions, the government give the reservation in admissions, and the peoples are just fighting for it. Why government give the reservation to SCSs?
Well, suppose that any SC ST person who have much money, and if they will get the reservation, what that person.
But I'm sorry, sir. I'm not saying that every person is poor. I'm saying the maximum peoples of STSs are poor.
Listen, but from my perspective, less of the SC ST caste is poor. If they don't understand the value of a reservation, even they have much money. But on the other hand, if you give them to another person who belongs to economic who have financial problem, then they will use that money in a right way. This is the point that I want to say you.
Yeah, of course, Mr. He can. Yeah, you speak.
I will say that reservation should be given government poor family. You say that, but I think that it is a very positive way to.
No, Miss, it is the affirmative action which is taken by our government.
Yeah, absolutely right. But ma'am, have you ever seen that when any government provided the government job, then you absolutely find that there is lots of SC and ST cards just because of find reservation, and you find just because of a reservation, you find lots of jobs. It's like a peon and lots of things are available. And if you talk about OBC, then absolutely OBC have only one situation. Then you find that any government job just because of our hard work, our consistency, our passion, and our sacrifice.
Every caste has provide reservation by our government. OBC has a 27% reservation, and this time general said.
Listen.
Okay, guys, your time is up now. Okay, Mr. Raj, go ahead and just summarize this.
Well, friends, very good things come to an end. So the same things also about the GD. We have to summarize it. So with your kind permission, may I summarize the GD?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you guys for allowing me to summarize the GD. You know, this GD was so enhancing and knowledgeable, in which we got to learn a lot of new things from the GD. So some of us from friend like Ankita ji said that it should be reservation should be given on the basis of caste, and some of us friend like Khushbu said that it should be given on the basis of economics. And thank you guys for showing your great energy and enthusiasm in this GD and making this GD more and more successful. So keep smiling and bye bye.